Moving over to West Bengal, the political stage there heating up as a rebel MLA, TMC MLA, Suvendu Adhikari has now dropped a bombshell by claiming that he was attacked 11 times recently. In a rally, the TMC rebel MLA has said that he wants to tell his critics that he also has support of people. He's not alone. He added that he will take a stand soon in a virtual dare to the Mamata government. Suvendu said that repeated attacks on him won't deter him from taking a stand. Last month, Suvendu Adhikari tendered his resignation as a Bengal minister from Mamata Banerjee's cabinet. He has also resigned from the post of the chairman of the Hooghly River Bridge Commission, but he's yet to resign from the post of MLA. Suvendu Adhikari is a TMC veteran who wields considerable amount of influence in rural West Bengal. He's also tipped to join the BJP soon.
नहीं, ये बातचीत चल रहा है, अभी हमारा पास कोई अंदाज नहीं है।
शुभेंदु जी को इतना फोर्स क्यों बढ़ा दिया गया है?
देखिए, शुभेंदु का लाइफ थ्रेट है, ये तो सच बात है। ये सच बात है, शुभेंदु का लाइफ थ्रेट है। वो नंदीग्राम से हम देखा है, उसका लाइफ थ्रेट है।
क्योंकि वो तो टीएमसी का नेता है।
तो सो व्हाट, भारत सरकार है, जिसका लाइफ में थ्रेट रहेंगे उसके सिक्योरिटी देने का ये काम सरकार का है।
Let's cut across to Indrajit Kundu joining us for more details. Indrajit, take us through what Suvendu Adhikari really means when he says he's been attacked 11 times. How did that go unnoticed? Why was there no complaint or investigation initiated? And he's warning that he's not alone. He has people with him as well. This even before he resigns from the post of an MLA, TMC MLA.
Well, this clearly shows that this is all playing out to a well-planned script because sources close to Suvendu Adhikari clearly tell us that the decision has been made long back that Suvendu Adhikari will be joining the BJP. When and how is what the speculation at this point is all about. Given that there is so much talk about Suvendu Adhikari being provided central security, in that backdrop, Suvendu Adhikari today once again coming to a political stage and once again talking about attacks on him clearly shows that he's speaking in reference to all these information, all these news of the central government mulling providing him central security. Now what we are hearing is that Suvendu Adhikari might put down his papers as MLA and also a member of the Trinamool Congress within the next couple of days and may finally be officially inducted into the BJP during Home Minister Amit Shah's trip to Bengal, which is going to happen over the weekend. So Suvendu Adhikari keeping his cards very close to his chest, but clearly the stage is all set for Suvendu Adhikari to now say a goodbye to his Trinamool Congress and join or don the saffron hat as he joins the BJP in days to come.
Right. Thank you very much, Indrajit, for joining us with those details there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.